Okay, good morning. Question number 1, question number 1B, question number 2, AB.
Sir, you are on mute.
Okay, what is the SN formula? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. So we have S41, 41 by 2, 2A plus 41 minus 1D. A we don't have, D we don't have, we have an SN. So write SN. Now take 2 common. 2 common. A only 20D. Now this will cancel and this will goes down. Now find out the answer. 4125 divided by 41. 41 manza comes 2. 2 82. 20. 5. 5 So it is 125 is equal to A plus 20D. But our question is our question is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus D. A plus 20D. Switch off the mic, bacha. And this we have a ready value. Every time for the formula you will get the marks. For the substitution also you will get the marks. For simplifying also you will get the marks. Half. Even if your answer is wrong, rest of the parts you will get the marks. Now compulsory question, Kramer rule. Three x 2y 3 2x plus y directly they have asked to fill d dx dy. So our coefficients are 2 3 2 minus 2 plus 1 3 and 16. So this is d, this is dx. See the arrow, see the arrow. Whose mic is on? This to this arrow d dx dy. Step number 1. Now first of find out by heart method or by Ramana Marana method or by the formula method. Anyhow, find out d dx dy. This is one of the after that 3 method. This is one of that method. Now simple. Always have a habit of writing 4 brackets. Write 4 brackets, then only substitute. Otherwise, plus and minus, you will do the mistake. So these always first, 3 ones are. These always first, minus 2 16s are. These always first, 3 16s are. Then next, minus 2 2. Then next, 3 ones are. Then next, 3 twos are. Then write this answer. 3 minus minus plus 4. 16 twos are 32 minus. Pratiksha, mute all the mics, bacha, except me. Some person are not doing this purposely. Bigger figure sign, bigger figure sign, bigger figure sign. So d is equal to 7, dx is equal to minus 35, dy is equal to 42. Now your x is equal to dx by d. Your y is equal to dy by d. Minus 35 by 7, 42 by 7. So x is equal to minus 5. Now this answer, substitute any simple equation, rough work to confirm that your answer is 100% correct or not. 2x plus y, 2, what is x? Plus 6. So minus 10, 6. So wrong. Answer is wrong. Something is wrong in that. Dx, okay. See the arrow. So 316, sorry, minus 2 1. So 3 into 1 minus 216. So plus 3 plus 32 plus 35. So plus 35 plus. Now see, it is plus. It is correct. So at the end, substitute. You will get the mistake, recorrect, and again solve. In quadratic and simultaneous equation, you have to do like this. Now question number 3b. In a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled worker are 5:3. Total salary of one day of both them is 7:0. Find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled worker. Three B first. Salary ratio. Skilled, unskilled is 5:3 actually. Total salary is 720. Let common multiple be x. Therefore, salary of skilled 5x rupees. Salary of unskilled 3x rupees. Total 5x rupees. Total they have given 720 rupees. Therefore, 720 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 720 divided by 5. Put a 0, make it half. No, means multiply by 2, multiply by 2, 144, 0 divided by 10, so it is 144 like that. Double it and cut 1 0. So salary of skilled worker is equal to 5x is equal to 5, 144. So 1440. Sorry, this is 8. $90. And salary of unskilled worker is 3x. Now see, it is 720 which is given total. This and this should be tally. Next, the speed of car is decreased by 8 km. It take 1 hour more to cover a distance. So speed, distance, time. Speed is x. Now speed is decreased by 8. Speed is in kilometer per hour. Distance, both the time 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers. Now speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So 240 divided by x, 240 divided by x minus 8. So speed is more, speed is less. When speed is more, time is less. When speed is less, time is more. So more time minus less time, that difference is 1 hour. Again, I want to explain this full table. Speed in kilometer per hour, distance in kilometer, time in hours. In first round, we don't know the speed. We have to find out the speed. So consider x. In second round, speed will decrease by 8 kilometer. Again, let me confirm. Decrease by 8 kilometer. Both the time distance are given 240 kilometer. Speed decrease by 8 kilometer per hour, and both the time distance is. So from the distance and from the kilometer, or from the speed and the distance, we will find out the time. First time, this much time it will get. Say in second round, this much time it will get. So when speed is more, time is less. When speed is less, it will take more time. So from more time to less time, they have given 1 hour difference. So 240 x minus 8 minus 240 by x is equal to 1. When there are three different denominators are there, at that time, under this product of rest of, so 1x, under this product of rest of means 1 into 8 minus x minus 8. Under this product of this, these are your LCM. Now this into this, x 240 minus 240 x minus 8 is equal to x minus 8. 240 x minus 240 x minus minus plus, it is correct, minus minus plus. So x square minus 8x. So this will cancel. So x square minus 8x minus 1920 is equal to 0. So from 1920 to again 2, again 2, again 2, again 2. We want the difference 8. So 5 to the 10, we can take 190 to 10, half. Again half. See, 1920 into 1. Now remove 0. Half double, half double. So x minus 48, x plus 40. 48 into 4, 48 into 40, it is 1920. So these are the factor. So x minus 48, x plus 48, x is equal to 48, x is equal to minus 40. Speed cannot be negative. So the speed, it is x is equal to 48 kilometer per hour. Now how to tell you that in your table? This is 48. So 48 minus x, 8 is equal to 40. 240 divided by 48. So 10 by 2, so it is 5. 5 hours. 240 by 40, 6 hours. See the difference? 1 hour. So your answer is correct. In a table, you can tally, but in rough work. So that is a good thing that in a simultaneous equation and in a quadratic equation, you can substitute your answer and you can tally your answer. Card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Three B third, 52 playing cards. Diamond. Diamonds. So there are 13 cards, 1/4. Face card. JQK means 3 into 4 is equal to 12. In each group, 333. JQK. In all group. Black card. Black cards are half. So number of S 52, number of A, number of B, number of C. So probability of A, probability of B, probability of C, probability of D. Number of A, 13 by 52, 12 by 52, 26 by 52. 1/4 means 25%. You can divide by 4. 4 threes are 4 13s are. You can divide by 26. 26 ones are 26 twos are. So this is probability of A. This is probability of B. This is probability of C. The sum of three consecutive numbers of AP is 36. Their product is 1140. Consider the form, consider the terms in decreasing order, not in increasing order. So, how to consider? Let three consecutive AP numbers are A plus D, A minus D. See, it is decreasing. Suppose it is increasing, so A minus D, A plus D. Condition number 1. Total is 36. So A plus D plus A minus D is equal to 36. This and this cancel. So 3A is equal to 36. So A is equal to 36 divided by 3. The product is 1140. Condition 2. Let me confirm. 1140, correct. So A minus D, A plus D. So this is A square minus D square. This is A. Correct. Now, what is A? A is 12. 12 goes down. Divide it. Make it half first. That will be more easy. 1000. So 500, 100, 70, 1570. So 53570 divided by 6. So this 95. So D square is equal to 114 minus 95 is equal to 49. D square is equal to 49. D is equal to minus 7 square. So D is equal to plus or minus 7. But we want decreasing. So we will accept positive answer, because from positive to negative, it will, if we will take only positive, then only it will be decreasing order. Check this. D, not C, sorry. A is what? 12, 12, 12 minus plus 7, 7. So 19, 12, 5. C, the difference is 7 and the total is 36. And product this into this into this, that is 1140. Correct? This Navneet paper which already I have sent, in that you will find they have given points which are cancelled chapter wise. They have given paper pattern with mark distribution, with option, without option. First day whatever I have taken the lecture, no, it is on that base. And plus point is what, as per the reduced syllabus they have prepared this question paper. That is why, see, we are doing each and every question. Okay, if we will do of others that paper set, no, so in that we have to omit which are not asked, which are not in the current syllabus. The next question number 4a. In question number 4 there is no AB. Question number 4, first question. The cottage industries produce a certain number of the potteries in a day. It was found that the cost of the production of each article was rupees 5 more than twice the number of the potteries. Find the number of potteries. For first, let the numbers of BX cost is equal to, as per given condition, 5 rupees more than the twice of this. The cost of production per day, on that day or per day, on that day they have given, not per day, because maybe next day. Okay, so the amount, total amount is equal to numbers into cost of each. Correct? So number is given 168 and numbers x cos 2x plus 5. So 168 2x square plus 5x, 2x square plus 5x minus 168 minus 168 2s are, we want 5. (1621). So 2x square plus 21x minus 16x, whatever the product of 21 into 16, that is exactly equal to the product of 168 into 2. That is why I am taking that from these two and these two. What is common? Only x is common. 2x plus 21. So blindly you have to write this 2x plus 21. 8 to the 16.
Sir, 3 minutes.
Okay, okay. Now x minus 8, common of common, 2x minus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x minus 21 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8. It is acceptable because plus the x is equal to minus 21 by 8. Cost cannot be negative. Therefore, cost is equal to 8 rupees. Now 8 rupees. 8 rupees. That is 5 more than the double. 8 to the 16 plus 5, 21. 8 ones are 8. So that. So you must have seen that in the paper they have asked more question on simultaneous and quadratic equation, because in algebra you have only 4 chapters. Among that, the weightage of simultaneous and quadratic will be more because it is a big chapter. More topics are there. So in that 2 chapters, you will, if you will be the masters, you will get a very good mark. Okay, that paper you will find it very easy, and in very less time you can complete. So for more options, you will get the time. And word problems are also compulsory, particularly the fourth question and fifth question. Maximum word problems they'll ask. So adopt the method that table wise, speed, distance, time, uh, cost and amount and total amount, like bill method. So that is very important, very useful. So you adopt that. Uh, then you will get very good confidence. Okay, so rest of the questions we will solve tomorrow, and then we will continue with geometry. Okay, thank you. Close.
Yes, sir.